Hello, how are you
Hey,
today?
I'm well, and you?
I'm good, thank you. I'm good. Just so you know, I do have another reservation after your class. So unfortunately, I won't now because of the lateness, I won't be able to stay the full time. Is that okay?
Okay, yeah, it's no problem. It's no problem.
Okay. It's good to see you. How are things?
Yeah, the things are with me is okay, but you know that the situation of Corona in India, so
Hmm.
that's why we let's see what is let's see when the everything will be fine.
And how are you coping? Are you feeling okay, or are you feeling a bit worried?
A little bit worried about that because my grandmother just recovered the illness.
Okay, wow, okay, yeah.
So and we have to be cautious about that. And
Mm-hmm.
after in my neighbor there are two covid positive patients.
Okay, yeah. So it's very close by, isn't it? It's very close
Mhm.
by. Okay, and are you spending your time at home? Are you making sure you're spending most of your time at home?
Yes, we stay almost all the day long at home,
Mhm.
just when if necessary then go to the market
Yeah.
or grocery and medicines, and
Hmm.
yeah, that's okay.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
but
just for the essentials we
essentials,
call
yes,
them.
essential.
Perfect. Yeah, okay. Well, I hope things get a bit better because it can be really scary, can't it? But I'm
Mhm.
glad that your grandmother is recovering now. That's really good
Yes.
news. So tell me how you're passing your time during this period. How are you managing to find things to do and pass your time?
Mm, we I am so busy right now because I am making a lot of videos on YouTube, and
Mm-hmm.
also besides making videos, I am taking online classes three
Good.
days a
Yeah.
week. So that's why
Good.
the day usually the day is full of scheduled.
Yes. Yeah. So it goes really fast usually anyway.
Yes.
How is your YouTube videos going?
Yeah, they are going well, and your video is really performing well.
Perfect. That's lovely to hear. And thank you for involving me in that as well. It's great to be involved in something. Um, Good. Okay. And I always like to ask, obviously, COVID has been a part of our lives now. But hopefully in the future, we will experience
Hmm.
a controlled coronavirus rather than it being uncontrolled. So
Yes.
what do you hope for the future? What's one of the first things you'd like to be able to do, or what are your hopes for the future?
Yeah, if we recover that situation, then if we overcome that situation, then we have not to wear masks and not
Mm,
sanitizer mask.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I see. So not having those restrictions in place, not
Mhm.
having those restrictions.
Exactly.
And what about things for you? Is there anything you hope for you for your future once this has hopefully calmed down?
Uh, I think people people should be cautious about their health and also should be
Hmm.
cautious about their immunity. So
Yeah.
and how to recover that situation, how to overcome that things. So I think people
Mhm.
has already known that.
Yeah, yeah, people are already starting to try to move on from it. Yeah. Good. Okay. And what about you're making your YouTube videos, you're spending your time in
Yes,
on English online classes?
yes, also.
Great. Good, good. And how do you feel like your progress is going with your online classes?
Yeah, truly speaking, that is really helpful for improving my spoken English skill, and also
Great.
I gain confidence by a lot of practice with a lot of
Mhm.
tutors
Through a lot of practice. Yeah, through
through a
through a
lot of
lot of
yes, through a lot of
perfect. Yeah.
and now I think I can communicate with different people from different countries.
Great, great. And is that really important to you? Is that really important for, especially for your future as well, to be able
Yes,
to communicate with lots of different people from lots of
yes,
different backgrounds?
yes, and also it really helps me to in interview to perform well.
Mm. If for interviews?
Yes.
Yes, yeah. So are you hoping to take some interviews, international interviews for work?
Uh, yes, I will definitely try after my graduation. Even
Hmm.
I will I will attend the interview on campusing in my college.
Okay, yeah, yeah. And so it's really important for you to have a
Yes,
strong level of the language as well
yes,
for that.
exactly, ma'am, exactly. And English is
Great.
a great language, is an international language, so that's why I have.
Hmm.
And I love learning English since my childhood.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, it's great. And it's great that you're spending so much time doing that as well and
Yes, yes,
perfecting it. Remind me, it's been a long time since we spoke,
yes,
hasn't
long
it?
time,
So just yeah.
long time no see. Yes,
Yeah, it's a long time no see, exactly. So just remind me again what your plans are for you're studying right still right now?
yes, yes. I'm in third year, so I have one more year left. It,
Yes, yeah. So just remind me what your plans are for after your studies. You want to go on to further study?
if I get a chance to do a job, a decent job, then I will definitely go for that. Otherwise, I will
Hmm.
continue my study as master
Hmm.
degree.
As master's degree, yeah. And what kind of remind me again the industry that you're wanting to go into?
Uh, I want to, I want to, I want to search a job in my field, that is electronics and communication engineering.
Okay. And how about jobs at the moment? Are there many job opportunities around or not so much at the moment?
At that moment, there is few vacancies, but I think
Yeah.
the world is going to be digital, so that's why I think there are a lot of opportunities in that field.
Mm, yeah, for sure. This is correct. And what you were just saying that the world becoming digital. What do you think about that? What do you think about the world becoming so digital? Do you think that's a good thing? Or do you think it has its pros and cons?
Oh, yes, yes, nice question. I like this. It
Hmm.
actually everything has pros and cons, but the we should utilize the advantage. We should utilize the privilege of the technology, of the modern technology. So,
Hmm.
and there are really there, and in 50 years there will be a lot of robots instead of
Hmm.
people, and
Yeah, artificial intelligence. Yeah.
artificial intelligence.
Yeah, good.
Okay.
Um, Great. What is your opinion on the idea of artificial intelligence kind of becoming so popular and doing a lot of the work for us as human beings? What do you think about that?
Uh, yes, artificial intelligence is really has impacted for the mankind, and also
Hmm.
there are a lot of facilities. There are a lot
Yeah.
of I think there are a lot of opportunities people are getting, and that's why these artificial intelligence really helps to the people
Hmm.
to ace their works, and also help
Hmm.
to help their jobs very quickly. And also, this is like a blessing for us.
It definitely is going to have huge impact and advantages.
Yes, ma'am.
But do you think that maybe we are going to lose, as human beings, we are going to lose some of our um, not what word do I want to
Actually,
say?
yes,
Not control.
that yes, actually, those are the artificial intelligence makes the people lazy. I think so.
Yeah. Yeah, it's they because I feel like they are going to be able to do many things for us, aren't they? What do you think then makes what is then the role of the human being? What is our role then?
Our role is, I think, we should be cautious about. everything, the utilizing of this artificial intelligence, and also we should be more productive when we use AI system. And yes, actually, that really we should not involve ourselves too much time, or also we should not be dependent to that artificial intelligence. But we should utilize, because it is a really modern technology, and it really helps me. It
Yeah.
really helps the people to develop
Develop.
the country, to modernize the country.
Yeah, to modernize the country. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I do agree with that. Yeah. Do you find them, do you find artificial intelligence, do you fully trust it? Do you feel fully trusting of artificial intelligence?
Uh, no, I actually I really do not trust the AI system fully, because sometimes it is a machine, right? So
Yeah.
machine maybe will be damaged after by a lot of uses, and also AI system, again, I should not be more dependent to the AI system.
Yes. You shouldn't become dependent of it. You should still work. I think you're right, aren't you? They are an amazing creation, but
Yes,
of course, we as human beings shouldn't become lazy of that. We should still be aware, as you say. Excellent, good. I'm just sending some questions out to you here, just to see
sure.
what your opinions are, and to challenge you maybe a little bit as
Yes,
well,
yes.
which is great. Um, okay, good. So another question for you. Do you think that artificial intelligence can be used in every industry?
Can be used.
In every industry. For example, can it be used, do you think, in the teaching industry? In the industry of teaching?
Yeah, if there is a chance, if there is a possibility to use this AI system in the teaching industry, then I think there should be utilized. But
Okay.
yes,
Yeah.
but I again that the teachers, the should be more productive to their dedication.
Yeah, because one question that I've come across before is that, do you think artificial intelligence can replace the teacher, or do you think the teacher is still just important, that the human being is just important in the
Yes,
education system?
yes, I believe that human beings are really important to the education system as well as
Yeah.
every industry. Educate
Yeah.
people should be must, I think so. And besides present of people, there should be AI system, but we should prioritize the first the people, the human beings, then the machine.
Yes. That's great. That's exactly right what you're saying, isn't it? It's great to think we need to prioritize ourselves, but we need to utilize the technology
Exactly.
that we've created.
We can use
Um,
the technology, but we should prioritize the person first.
Some great ideas there today, and I just wanted to throw some questions about that out there, because
Yes.
obviously artificial intelligence is becoming more and more popular now, isn't it? And it's growing in its development. So some great points of view there. Thank you for sharing
And
that with me.
yes, thank you,
My
ma'am. And
other, yeah,
one question I want to
yeah.
ask. By any chance, are you from electronic field or not?
I'm not actually. I am interested in it in
Oh,
that
wow.
side
Wow,
of
great.
that though. I find it really interesting, and I do research, I guess, a little bit
Oh,
around
lovely.
artificial intelligence and
Lovely.
how it
So
is being
nice.
developed. Yeah. But it was
Okay,
great to
ma'am.
chat with you
Yes.
about it.
Hope to see you soon again. Stay safe,
Yes,
stay healthy.
you too, and see you soon. Have a good rest of your day.
Yes,
Okay.
you too. Bye.
See you soon. Bye bye.